Question: x square ends with 64. X square ends with 64. How many two-digit values? How many two-digit values? How many two-digit values x takes? How many two-digit values x takes? X square ends with 64. How many two-digit values x will take? Now see here, solution. But before that one, concept, x square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, all has same last two digits. All has same last two digits. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square has same last two digits. 4 square is 16. 50 minus 4. 46 square is 2116. Again 16. 50 plus 4. 54 square is 2916. Again last two digits is 16. 100 minus 4. 96 square. Again last two digits is 9216. You can find 46, 54, 96 very fast. That also we will discuss. I hope it is clear. 16, 2116, 2916 and 9216. From here we will solve the question. X square ends with 64. X square ends with 64. X lowest value is 8. X lowest value is 8. So 50 minus 8, 42 square. 50 plus 8, 58 square. 100 minus 8, 92 square. 42 square is 1764. 58 square is 3364. 92 square is 8464. How many two-digit numbers x can take? X can take 42, x can take 58, x can take 92. Total 3 values it can take. I hope it is clear. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x square. This is an example to convey the point. 4 square is 16. 46 square, x is 4. 50 minus 4, 50 plus 4. 100 minus 4, 100 plus 4. And so on. Why I took only these numbers? Because the next number is 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8 is 116 square, which is 11664. It is not possible. I hope it is clear. Till now we did the square of a 2-digit number. Now we will do the square of a 3-digit number. Same concept we can use. Type 1 and type 2. Suppose 317 whole square I require. I know the concept that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So 317 square. A can be 31, b can be 7. So this is nothing but 31 square. 2 into 31 into 7 and 7 square. A is 3 and b is 17. So a is 3, b is 17. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. This is 9. 6 17s are 102. 17 square is 289. Here b is taking 1 digit. Here b is taking 2 digits. So 18, 9. 2 carried. 102 plus 2, 104. Last two digits is 04. 1 carried. 9 plus 1 is 10. Please write down this point. If b takes k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, other than the leftmost place, it will have k digits. That is because you write it as 3 into 100 plus 17 square. Zeros will be there at the end. Please write down. Either you can use this method or you can use this method. 31 square solving is a little difficult. So I go with 3 with 17 square. A square, 2ab and b square. 9, 102 and 289. Last two digits if I write 189. 2 carried. 102 plus 2 is 104. So 04. 1 carried. So answer is 1,00489. Sir, which method to use depends upon the nature of the number. Depends upon the nature of the number. For example, one more. 414 square. 414 square can be solved by using 41 with 4 square. Next it is 4 with 14 square. 4 with 14 square is easy compared to 41 with 4. So these a square, next is 2ab and next is b square. This is 16. 56 2s are 112. 14 square is 196. Write down the last two digits. 96. 1 carried. 112 plus 1 is 113. 13. 1 carried. 171396. 171396. A square, 2ab and b square. 16 112 196. 14 is last two digits. Last two digits. 96. 1 is carried. 112 plus 1 113. 13 1 is carried. 171396. Now, whether should I use this method or should I go with another method? Write down type 2. 171396. Write down type 2. Type 2. Another method to find the square of a number. Type 2. Which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Minus b square if it takes to the right hand side. A minus b into a plus b square. Plus b square. Now see here. Suppose I want 98 square. 98 is nearer to which power of 10? 10 square, 100. A is 92. B is the difference between 98 and 100, which is 2. 98 minus 2 into 98 plus 2 square, which is 96 into 100 plus 4, 9604. 9604. What is B here? B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and an assumed base. Suppose another example. 992 whole square. 992 is nearer to 1000. So these 992 minus 8. 992 plus 8 plus 8 square, which is 984 into 1000 is 3 zeros. 8 square is 64. 984064. 984064. I hope the concept is clear. Ideally, this logic is used when the numbers are closer to. Multiples of 10 or powers of 10. Multiples of 10 or powers of 10. When the numbers are closer to multiples of 10 or powers of 10. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. What are the two important learnings? B is nothing but the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 98 is nearer to 100. So 98 minus 2 into 98 plus 2 square. 992 square. 992 minus 8. This is the absolute difference between. Absolute means either 992,000 or 1000 and 992. Idea clear?